Myself, Sudhakar Reddy. I am working in Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited as a quality control manager. So she is my mother's Sleevamma. She is suffering with knee joints pains. So we consulted many doctors. So they advised to knee joint replacement. So we consulted Dr. Balaraju Naidu at Citizen Hospital for this knee joint replacement. So there she undergone operation 3 months ago. The operation went very well. Now she is able to walk freely and she can able to climb upstairs and downstairs. She recovered very well. Previously she used to suffer very much. She cannot walk and she cannot do anything. She suffered very well. Now she is very well without any pains. Thank you, doctor, for this speedy recovery.
నేను 10 సంవత్సరాల నుండి మోకాళ్ళ నొప్పులతో బాధపడుతున్నాను. 2 కాళ్ళు సర్జరీ చేయించుకున్నాను. 3 నెలలు అయింది. చాలా చక్కగా నడుస్తున్నాను. ఎలాంటి మోకాళ్ళలో పొరపాటు లేదు. మంచిగా నాకు ఆపరేషన్ చేసినందుకు డాక్టర్ గారికి వందనాలు సమర్పించుకుంటున్నాను.